Your grind control is fitted with adjustable stainless steel burrs. These flat burrs deliver optimum-sized coffee particles for drip filter brewing. Because the origin, quality, age, and degree of roast of coffee beans varies, you may need to adjust the grind size to compensate for these differentiations. However, we always recommend you use freshly roasted beans for the most delicious tasting brew. The number 3 grind setting should cover most coffee types you purchase, but there may be times where the grind size needs to be adjusted. Before making changes to your machine, we recommend you visually assess the grind size. To do this, you'll need to grind some coffee and assess its size. For a single cup volume, a finer grind setting of 2 to 3 will work. For larger cup volumes like a 12-cup carafe, a medium to coarse grind works best, which is a grind setting range of 3 to 5. We suggest making one adjustment at a time, and to determine if you've got the right flavor notes, we recommend brewing a cup and tasting it. When you want to change the grind setting, turn the grind adjustment dial located through the bean hopper lid in the direction of the arrow to select a finer or coarser grind size. The LCD will display your grind setting as you turn the dial. Keep turning the dial slowly until the grind size number you want is displayed. And once you're ready to brew, just check that the coffee basket, grinding chute, and carafe are clean, so your coffee tastes great.